Ever wondered what stands between our skies and a swarm of enemy missiles or drones? Imagine in a split second high-tech missiles, lasers, and sensor networks all snapping into action to shield India's most critical places. Sounds like science fiction, right? But this is the reality. India's latest shield, the Integrated Air Defense Weapon System, or IADWS, just unveiled by DRDO. Wait, what exactly is IADWS and why is it a game changer? Picture this. The system combines three powerful layers. First, it launches quick reaction missiles that intercept threats miles away. Next, it uses Vishorad's missiles, super-fast, shoulder-launched rockets that take down anything that gets closer. And here's the coolest part. At the heart is a high-power laser weapon. Yes, you heard that right, a real-life laser cannon silently zapping potential threats out of the sky at the speed of light. All these elements work together, connected by a central command center, ready to shoot down multiple targets, jets, missiles, drones, you name it. And the best part, every bit of this tech is made in India. So here's my question for you. If you could add one futuristic technology to India's air defense system, what would it be? Let me know in the comments. I'll give a heart to the best ideas. If you love science and want India to lead the future, subscribe to @CIX24 right now.